It's personal, boss.
Yeah,
But I'm not telling you the details.
इसका मतलब है
AI says Mona once tried to screenshot a chat but accidentally sent it to the same person.
I am very capable of it. Yeah.
AI says Kunal once spent 20 minutes deciding which emoji to send.
could be true, but I'd say false. I have only 3 emojis. I have the namaste, I have the hug, I have the I have the thumbs up.
Okay.
These are my 3 emojis.
In तीनों में भी confusion.
नहीं, कभी
Mona is secretly making a video for dancing in Dunia Hasino Ka Mela and keeping it hidden.
No, that BTS is with me, so I don't need to shoot.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Effects में किया था.
हाँ, but
Yeah.
lovely man.
It was so good.
so good. Lovely. Killed it.
Oh man.
Okay, last one for Kunal. AI predicts Kunal Roy Kapoor is stuck and calls Aditya and got even more confused. The advice that he has given.
Possible.
When was
No, sometimes you can end up more
Yeah,
confused.
yeah, I
With
get
siblings,
it.
you know that. Na?
Hi everyone, this is your host Riya and today I'm in conversation with the cast of Thode Dur Thode Paas. Mona Singh and Kunal Roy Kapoor, welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Hi, thank
So
you.
nice to have you. But firstly, what a lovely and unique concept it is. Digital fasting. मतलब 6 महीने तो it's so hard, it's so tough कि कैसे रहेंगे without the technology and the internet. लेकिन वो characters कैसे उस challenge को करते हैं consume and how they tackle with the all this tough situation वो तो देख के पता चलेगा. लेकिन in your real life I'm gonna ask you सबसे ज़्यादा देर तक अगर आप दूर रहे हो इंटरनेट से तो वो लास्ट टाइम कब था और आपने क्या किया था उस फ्री टाइम पे?
मैं तो 8 hours दूर रही थी because
yeah?
मेरी फ्लाइट थी.
वहाँ पे भी वो
और
checking
मैंने
की Wi-Fi
वाईफाई
का
नहीं
कितना है
लिया.
यहाँ
मैंने
पे?
नहीं लिया, मैंने पूछा भी नहीं. I did not. I was like, let it be on airplane mode and let me just relax. So I was reading my book, I was watching a movie, and yeah, that's
Did
it.
you miss the data?
No, nothing. क्योंकि ऑप्शन ही नहीं था ना.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. When was the last time you were like offline?
Fully offline. I was one farm I went to, which was
Acha.
completely out of the grid,
Acha.
and that was last year. But
Oh.
it was a year ago. Since then, Wi-Fi वहाँ भी आ गया है, पहुँच गया. Its tentacles, it has come and infiltrated that farm also. But when I went, there was no Wi-Fi, and I was there for 4 days.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
So there was no network. But there was a test match going on.
अच्छा.
So I had to take my phone and go on top of a hill.
Oh
so
my
मैं hill पे जाके I was watching for 1 hour. I started watching a test match.
Damn.
But उसमें भी I was getting that old nostalgia वाला feel, you know, कि मिल
network
गया.
Exactly.
क्या हो रहा है? Yeah,
वो एक
exactly.
रहता ही है.
बचपन में पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू सेंड अस ना ऊपर छत पे देखो एंटेना क्या
क्या
हो
हो
गया.
रहा So it was that, but with
the phone.
4G,
With the
yeah.
phone.
But it was last year. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
हाँ.
It's been a while. लेकिन इस ट्रेलर से secretly आप नहीं not secretly अगर आपको बताना है ऑडियंस को भी that what message that they can also learn from the project तो और आपने पर्सनली भी नोटिस किया होगा आपका पर्सपेक्टिव अगर चेंज हुआ रहेगा तो वो क्या है?
यही है. It compels you to think कि भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो? Which way are you headed? Is technology really consuming you? You know, are you not making any real connections and just you know, just giving all your time to your gadgets, your phone, and connecting with the world outside and not your own people? It's that.
It's that.
That's the basic flavor. That's the core of the show.
Yeah.
To connect with your own people, to you know, establish your family relationships, to value love, human connection.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely that, and I think कि when we were doing the show, firstly that's what attracted I think both of us to the show is कि immediately you know on paper that it's something that is very relevant. Very relevant to India, to the world actually,
To the world,
everyone.
yeah.
It's fully relevant because we are experiencing this day to day. हम फैमिली के साथ बैठते हैं, दोस्तों के साथ बैठते हैं, कभी-कभी दोस्त साथ में बैठ के फिर भी फोन पे ही हैं. You know, you see so many. I've seen people going on dates with another phone. Like, have you seen that?
Yeah.
Like they're going, which is sad also, but it's also
sad.
possible.
Exactly, it's sad.
So they're going, but they're on a date, like dressed up and everything. And all that
There's
stuff.
a movie on that.
Yeah.
इससे ही मेरे को अभी जो सवाल आया मन में कि डेट्स का भी थ्रू फोन्स ही हम मिल, कुछ ऐप्स होते हैं, आई कांट नेम इट क्योंकि ब्रांड हो जाएगा, लेकिन उससे उसके थ्रू दे आर लाइक मेकिंग कनेक्शन, सम वर्क सम डजंट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ दिस आइडिया? इज इट अ फ्लॉप और इज इट अ हिट?
It depends. It's a personal question. अब हम तो
नहीं, आपका
शादीशुदा
खुद
हैं.
का एनवायरमेंटल इफेक्ट अगर आप एक्सपीरियंस अगर आपने लिया हो अपने दोस्त से या लाइक.
आई थिंक हर जनरेशन में अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं टू मीट द ऑपोजिट सेक्स.
Yeah.
आई थिंक अगर आप 100 साल पहले अगर दिस थिंग देयर वुड बी मे बी सोशल इवेंट्स, पार्टी पे किसी यू मेट समवन की अच्छा वहाँ पे जाके गैदरिंग्स में, अगर विलेज में हुआ होगा तो यू नो व्हेन दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग अ फेस्टिवल दैट वुड बी दैट थिंग. नाउ देन फ्यू इयर्स लेटर इट्स बिकेम नाइट क्लब्स. नाइट क्लब में जाके आप मिल लो किसी से. अभी नाउ इट्स बिकम जॉगिंग. आप सुबह जाके आप जॉगिंग ग्रुप बना के यू मीट पीपल व्हाइल एक्सरसाइजिंग. जिम में जाके आप जिम में किसी से मिल लो. सो यू नो लाइक दीज आर न्यू वेज, बट आई थिंक दैट now it's become social media also, you know. So I think ki every generation has new and more innovative
ways of finding each other.
Exactly.
So yeah, so I think that there's nothing right or wrong in it if you find the person who works
It
for
actually
you.
depends on the
Exactly.
personality.
And
Yeah.
if you are lost and lonely and looking for someone out there,
Yeah.
so maybe that is the way for you.
Exactly. आप दोनों में से कौन इंटरनेट से थोड़े दूर है और कौन है जो थोड़े पास है? If you like,
I think मैं दूर पास दोनों. हाँ, we balance it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm a little pass only, क्योंकि मैं not so दूर, because मैं स्पोर्ट्स काफी देखता हूँ, टेनिस भी देखता हूँ. सडनली मैं अमेरिकन बेसबॉल देख रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों. बास्केटबॉल भी देख रहा हूँ और क्रिकेट भी देख रहा हूँ. तो आई थिंक वो ऑल ऑफ दैट आई एम कंज्यूमिंग ऑन माई फोन और on my streaming device. So I'm constantly engaged with that.
देखा आपने वुमेन्स?
Of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
सबने देखा. Wow, what a moment.
Crazy. That catch.
Oh my God, that catch. Really.
Crazy. What is the last text that you have sent? किसको आपने लास्ट है और वो किसको भेजा था और क्या?
Text या WhatsApp?
WhatsApp.
टेक्स्ट तो कोई भेजता नहीं.
हाँ, टेक्स्ट तो वो तो सिर्फ वो कंपनीज के ही आते हैं, अपने नेटवर्क कंपनीज के.
लोन अवेलेबल.
Any DM that you have saved for your personal memory जो आपको अच्छा लगा हो?
You saved any DM?
My DM is the same actually over the years, so many years. Ki something I like to.
नहीं, someone's DM to
Someone's
Someone's DM that you've got and you
No.
were like surprised in a way कि wow.
Like what? Give me an example.
For example, some crazy thing that someone has said to you, did for you, and they've showed you, like it's a unknown or someone from your fan, or
Okay.
yeah, that you have seen it, and I'm like, oh, crazy, that's so sweet.
वो Instagram में messages होते हैं and I save them. I don't delete.
Okay.
Yeah, like not the primary chat, the other one, the request wala.
अच्छा.
I read that, I reply to some, but yeah.
Okay.
But no
Who's-
DMs.
मैं I feel afraid only to go into that, especially that hidden and that request and all that. I feel a lot of fear कि इसमें मैं जाऊँगा तो क्या हो जाएगा.
क्या हो जाएगा?
तो मैं जाता ही नहीं हूँ वहाँ पे. It's like there's a seal on that.
Okay, that's good actually.
That's good actually.
Yeah.
But I do reply to some DMs, which are sweet. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, आप दोनों में से कौन है जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करता है और कौन लाइक फिजिकल शॉपिंग करना पसंद करता है या करती है?
मैं दोनों करती हूँ. तो
अच्छा.
घर के लिए सारा सामान ऑनलाइन आता है और पर्सनल फिजिकल.
सही है.
Yeah.
ये भी सही है. And
मैं दोनों ऑनलाइन ही करता हूँ.
what's the last thing that you guys have purchased online?
Shoes.
Oh.
I got cockroach repellent. Having a bit of a cockroach issue right now.
Blinkit.
Blinkit.
वो जेल आ गया था ना, वो I put.
Oh god. Okay, now technology is a thing that never ever stops. ठीक है. कभी कभी तो डर लगता है कि कहीं हमारी खुद की जॉब ना ले जाएं, क्योंकि अभी आजकल खुद ही AI कितना ज़्यादा ये हो गया है, डेवलप हो गया है. आपको क्या लगता है AI इज एक्चुअली बैड और गुड? लाइक अगर हम कंपेयर करें ओवरऑल, इट्स गुड ऑफ कोर्स, बट वो जो इन्फ्लुएंस, बैड इन्फ्लुएंस होता है वो ज्यादा हो रहा है आपके हिसाब से, या व्हाट इज
क्या है बैड इन्फ्लुएंस AI?
फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट मिसयूजेस अदर्स फेसेस.
Yeah.
या वो भी एक मिसयूज हो गया है. कभी AI खुद एक दूसरे से बात करने लगे हैं आजकल. They are developing more things. What do you think? Is it should be in a होना चाहिए लेकिन लिमिटेशन में होना चाहिए, या तो जो बेनिफिट्स हैं उसके जिससे हम मिसयूज कर सकते हैं वो नहीं होना चाहिए? आपको क्या लगता है?
What do you think?
What do you think?
I think
Is it a lot of
we are
conflict?
getting into a realm जिसमें हमें बहुत कम समझ है, and I think a new set of laws will have to be established to govern AI. So that is going to be a law making process, and I think कि if we just go in blind कि भाई करने दो whatever people want to do with AI, जो भी tools हैं, whatever words you want to put into my mouth right now, someone could upload this video and I could give you a completely different response.
That is
that
So and it would look
dangerous.
seamless in my voice and
Yeah.
everything. So new laws have to be put into place. So that means we need parliament to take action, we need the world to take action to say that this is not possible, this is infringement of your privacy. So those laws have to be put into place.
Yeah.
Apart from that, we have the question of employment of lakhs and millions of people
Fair
around the
enough.
world, not only in our industry, in every industry across the board. So the implications are going to be so tremendous. Again, like this basic social media, we're going to have to know how to deal with the beast. We're going to have to know how to tame this animal.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be beyond our imagination and control, and unless we go in with our eyes open, we will be floundering.
But there are a lot of people, you know, who are getting into this course of understanding AI.
Yes.
There are a lot of courses going on in
Yeah,
China
yeah.
and Japan where all these youngsters go for
Yeah.
It's good to learn.
It's good to learn. Yeah, that's for sure. Okay, ChatGPT से हर कोई सवाल पूछता है अपने पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप और पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस के हिसाब से. Yeah, from if I compare to my Gen Z generation,
Okay.
what do you think? What is the last question that you have asked to ChatGPT that does make sense?
मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं पूछा यार वो
क्या बात कर रहे
I
हो?
don't
You
use
don't
it.
even
I
use
don't
it?
use it. I don't have it
What
on my
are you
phone.
saying?
I once used this AI which is on WhatsApp for a poetry, and it really came up with something very nice with the rain. Yeah, so I was very impressed because I was trying to show it to my mom how creative this is. I was like, just type anything, wacko, whatever you want. So she's like, poetry. I was like, okay, poetry on rain, and it gave me a
Lovely.
full poem. Wow, I loved it. तो बस वही किया मैंने, nothing else.
Okay, nice.
I use it all the
So
time.
what is the
for-
last question that
I
you
asked
said?
about some tree species that can grow indoors and that is endemic to Maharashtra. It's a very
Oh,
weird, very
yeah.
specific question,
Lovely.
but it gives you
Yeah.
full answer with this thing. You can have a full conversation back and forth. So it's very and it's non-judgmental.
Nice.
Obviously AI.
Yeah.
Hey, obviously.
And it's not selling you anything in
It's
the middle.
not, okay.
You know, like Google, if you ask, na, it'll say,
It'll
would you
start
like to
showing you
buying stuff.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
this is like clean, just the answer, and you can also push it.
Okay.
My children, I have children, and they have put their ChatGPT to be sarcastic.
Oh,
So it's saying like, what kind of question is that and all? Like, get a life and all. It's the ChatGPT is
What?
telling them.
Really?
Yeah.
Premium version रहेगा.
Yeah, नहीं प्रीमियम नहीं है, बहुत basic है.
so
उसके
मतलब what?
settings हैं.
You feed that into your
Yeah,
chat?
please don't give me a straight answer. Please be a little sarcastic with all the responses.
yeah.
That's you.
Yeah, that's so you.
Your kids are like you.
Yeah, they're like me,
even.
yeah.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Yeah. So that's
Oh,
one of
that's
the things.
pretty interesting.
That is
yeah.
interesting, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, even though we have less time, we're gonna quickly wrap up with a quickly rapid fire, which
Okay.
is called AI knows it all.
Oh, man.
AI ने आपके लिए कुछ predictions किए हैं, and AI झूठ नहीं बोलता है कि झूठ बोलता है. Let's find it out. Okay.
Okay.
So ChatGPT. So ChatGPT.
Brace yourself.
Yeah. So AI predicts Mona Singh will delete Instagram in next month, but only to create a Finsta account.
What is that?
What's Finsta?
Finsta is a fake account जो किसी को like for example Ranbir Kapoor has a Finsta account.
Really?
Yeah, I mean as a rumor है.
अच्छा.
अभी कुछ confirmation नहीं है. So do you
Why
have?
would I need to do that? I'm already on Instagram.
Yeah.
I'm all out there. It's a public profile.
That's
I
a
think
false.
that's false.
Wrong. AI is wrong.
Yeah, it's galat.
Galat.
Okay, ChatGPT predicts Kunal's camera roll is 90% memes, 9% food, and 1% work.
Kunal's what? Camera roll of the Instagram
The photos gallery.
is 90%.
Memes. Okay.
9% food, and 1% work. True or false?
No, false.
Wow. Wow.
I don't do memes that much.
Okay. AI says Mona has a saved messages of SRK and Aryan for a memory.
I do.
Yeah.
I do,
What
right.
is that
AI
message?
is right.
It's personal, boss.
Yeah.
But I'm not getting into details. AI jaan jayegi.
Only on Simi Garewal you'll give that away.
Okay. AI says Kunal once spent 20 minutes deciding which emoji to send.
Oh,
Could be true, but I'd say false. I have only 3 emojis. I have the namaste, I have the hug, I have the thumbs up.
Okay.
These are my 3 emojis.
इन तीनों में भी confusion.
नहीं कभी कभी गलती से hug तू भेज दिया to someone.
Yeah. Okay. ChatGPT predicts Mona's phone autocorrect has betrayed her more times that she admits.
yes. Now
Yeah.
my phone is not on autocorrect.
Oh, that's so full.
Earlier, this iPhone was also getting into I with you, right?
Yeah.
There
Why
some-
was that?
Yeah, I don't know.
You,
So that was the reason I switched off the autocorrect.
But why was it coming to you?
पता ही नहीं. I was like, I am back, you are back. I was like, yeah.
Okay, ChatGPT predicts Kunal will trend on Twitter for his recent picture in gallery revelation.
Oh,
In gallery revelation.
Yeah.
but he doesn't post anything.
Yeah. No,
What
I
is your
won't
recent
trend.
picture
Trending.
that will trend if you'll post it?
Now I'm going to shoot it today at
Okay.
this interview.
So it's gonna trend.
False.
By the way, every phone gallery, phone wallpaper have a story. Do you have a story in your personal wallpaper?
No, I don't.
No?
No.
Okay. Okay, AI says Mona once stalked a person and later she laughed on him or her.
Stalked a person and later I laughed on him or no? I don't remember.
No?
No, I must have stalked a lot of people, but
But yeah.
Okay. AI says Kunal secretly uses ChatGPT to write his WhatsApp replies because he don't have any idea what to write.
That's
This
not
absolutely
true.
not
Yeah.
true.
Okay. AI says Mona once tried to screenshot a chat but accidentally sent it to the same person.
I have. Very capable, very capable. of it. Yeah.
And you
God.
deleted for me or everyone?
Everyone.
Delete for all.
But once read, you cannot delete. No?
Yeah, you cannot. Oh
Yeah,
shit. And they have seen
Yes,
it?
yes.
Oh shit.
I got the blue tick and then I was like, okay.
Okay.
Deleting.
Can you enter into that person's brain and delete it? Delete from brain.
from brain. Wild.
It is
Chat-
gonna happen with
Very
Black Mirror
soon.
kind of shows, boss.
Yeah, it can.
Really?
Black Mirror, have you seen
Okay,
it?
okay, yeah. ChatGPT predicts Kunal once tried to set a reminder for drink water and forgot to drink it anyway.
No.
No.
I haven't set a reminder for drink water. I drink a lot of water. I drink. I drink. Yeah. So I don't set any reminder.
Any reminder that you have sent and you forgot?
Alarms I set in the morning. Sometimes the wrong time. A lot of that happens.
PM का M हो गया.
हाँ
हाँ,
वो
वो
सब
हो जाता है.
वो होता है.
वो होता है.
हाँ.
Evening 6 o'clock बजता है.
What is this for?
ChatGPT predicts Mona uses a fake call to avoid any situation.
No.
No, I do that.
How do you use a fake call?
Hello, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I have.
You have?
I have.
Yeah, you've done
I
that.
have. When there are a lot of people in front of me and I'm like all alone and shy.
Yeah.
Scared. Mommy, hello, what's up? I just hope it doesn't ring, so I switch it to
Sorry,
silent.
no, one second.
Yeah.
I've done it.
Yeah. Okay. AI predicts Kunal sent a message that says, "ये कौन है नाम भूल गया?" Who is in the same room? Like for example, you're sitting in front of me and you're asking another person who's sitting in the room and you're texting, "ये कौन
ये
है?"
कौन है? Oh no, I haven't done that. I do it through. I do it
She's
through
laughing
looks.
as if she has done
You've
it.
done it, na? You've done it. Oh my god. अरे ChatGPT उल्टा हो गया क्या?
I've done it.
Yeah, ये
You've
थोड़ा.
done it.
I've done it.
But not through looks, not like.
No. No, I have
not all
messaged
that.
because how can you have the
हाँ,
name of
पता
the
चल
person,
जाएगा
yeah,
ना.
because that person will be able to hear it. So, yeah.
Okay.
Quickly tell me the name and the room.
Okay, last one. AI predicts Mona is secretly making a video of her dancing in Duniya Hasino Ka Mela and keeping it hidden.
No, that BTS is with me, so I don't need to shoot.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was crazy. AI. As if you know, AI का किया था.
No, Baba, I shot for it.
No, that Bobby Deol's real
I shot for it.
yeah, that you have shot क्योंकि आपका
VFX में किया था.
हाँ, but
Yeah.
lovely man.
It was so good.
so good. Lovely, killed
Oh
it.
man.
Okay, last month for Kunal, AI predicts Kunal Roy Kapoor is stuck and calls Aditya and got even more confused. The advice that he has given.
Possible.
When was it?
Possible. No. I mean, I do get stuck. I call Aditya, I call Siddharth also. But yeah, no. Sometimes you can end up more confused.
Yeah, I
With
get
siblings,
it.
you know that, na?
I get
Give you a
it, yeah.
definitive answer, then you're even more confused.
So
yeah.
true.
Librans usually are.
Very,
Very.
always.
Yeah.
Crazy, but lovely conversation with you, and thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
all
Riya.
the
Thank you,
best
Riya.
for your upcoming projects, and may you glow, may you grow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mona Singh,
Hi, I'm Kunal Roy Kapoor.
and you're watching us on
Instant Bollywood.